Hi, my name's Matt. Welcome to the vlog. Episode 001, first day. Just hoping to share my day with you a little bit around Nova Scotia. So let's hit the road. First stop, let's get some coffee. So I stopped at McDonald's, got my McCafe or whatever. I usually stop at McDonald's if I'm on the road and I want a coffee. Let me know where you guys usually stop. Where's your coffee place? Made it to Bridgewater. High five! And we're gonna go over to Arby's, get some curly fry poutine. Do you like that little twist on my voice? Curly fry. Curly fry poutine. But poutine's French though.
It's Poutine.
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 This is stupid. So since I mentioned it to her, I'll mention it to you. Going to do a full week of vlogging in May, so this is kind of the test, just to test it out. And yeah, let me know what you think. Leave a comment. What do they say? Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Yeah.
Yeah, something like that.
But people say that so much, I don't know if anyone actually listens. Do it anyway. Help me out.
Arby's, my favorite place.
Is she being sarcastic or is she serious?
Of course. I don't know when the last time she was here was.
Kind should I get?
Oh, there's a little hat.
Do you need a horsey sauce, man?
No.
No?
Creamy, singy perfection. I don't know what it is.
It's horseradish sauce.
We're just waiting. Waiting for poutine.
It's coming.
Excellent.
There we go. Thanks so much.
Curly fried poutine. We got the beef and cheddar. So we're gonna try curly fried poutine at Arby's. You think it's gonna be good? Anybody?
No.
No. Let's see. It's good. Yeah, it's obviously curly fries. Arby's sort of signature fries. And it's actual cheese curds. That's what I was worried about. I thought it might be like shredded cheese, but it's not. It's actual cheese curds. And the gravy's pretty good as well. So, yeah. I mean, obviously it's not, Montreal poutine or anything, but it's pretty good. Good job, Arbys.
Yeah.
So Christy and I, that's Christy, we're at the look-off on the way to the beach. I don't know if it has an official name, but there's a sign here about Lunenburg County. Oh, sorry, Lunenburg region. But it's kind of a neat little look-off. So I thought we'd stop and show you. It's cold. So we made it to the beach.
Yep.
This is Little Rissers.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I guess.
And some information here about it. I see, Christy, you left your glove.
Nope.
No, it's not yours. Well, somebody left their glove. So if you lost a glove, it's at Little Rissers. So it's very windy at the beach today, as you can see. bikes. All right, so we're gonna drive across the really sketchy bridge. Are you ready?
Yes, and then driving.
So now we're down on Crescent Beach. Normally you can drive down here, but I guess that's just in the summer. This time of year, a lot of it's washed out, so you can't really get down. And then for some reason, there's all this ice. And I think he's going to do a live stream, but he lost his wallet at the hospital. We'll see how that works out. All right. See you later.
Oh, look, it's a little puppy. I love my little girl. You're so cute.
It's Jitney Dry Hop Sour beer, apparently.
That's not the part I want you to read.
It's organically brewed in Tatamagouche.
And?
It's the only beer made with pure Tatamagoucheness? I don't know. Can you read that?
Wait until everyone tunes in. Oh, Jesus. There's Carmen. Carmen is our
Biggest fan ever.
yeah, our assistant director.
Why? What's she saying?
She says, wait until everyone tunes in. Can I do my best impersonation of Steve Murphy from CTV News? This just in? Jay and Matt are making a live video. No, that's horrible. I don't know how to do Steve Murphy.
What does he always say?
I don't know.
From both sides of our camera or something?
Oh, yeah, from both sides of our camera. Basically, there's only this side of the camera right now because we're... Well, this is what we're doing.
Look at all these cameras going. I got another camera going.
He pronounces schedule differently. Schedule.
He does say schedule.
Schedule, which is
schedule.
Which is the proper way of saying it.
There we go. Christy's got a puppy. A Walbrook Kennels puppy. Sniff, sniff. What should I say?
Goodbye.
Just goodbye?
Yeah.
Should I say something else? Like
No.
follow me on something or
Au
like
revoir.
it or
Au revoir.
subscribe or something?
I'll subscribe to Dagley Media channel
There you go. On YouTube?
on YouTube.
As long
Yeah.
as you just say something like, yep, that was the day.
So that's the end of the vlog. See ya.
Nothing.
I should finish the video with nothing?
You just want to annoy me.
Is it working?
Yeah. You're such a good son. Where's my grandchildren?